To compare Trust Wallet installation versus alternatives, start by understanding what a cryptocurrency wallet is and its importance in storing digital assets securely. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that supports multiple cryptocurrencies, but it is essential to weigh its features against other options. First, identify the key factors to consider when choosing a wallet, including security, ease of use, supported coins, and fees. Trust Wallet offers robust security features, a user-friendly interface, and support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. However, it is crucial to evaluate these features against other wallets such as MetaMask, Exodus, and Ledger Live. Next, research each alternative wallet, focusing on their unique features, advantages, and disadvantages. For example, MetaMask is a browser-based wallet that excels in interacting with decentralized applications, while Exodus is a desktop wallet known for its intuitive design and extensive coin support. Ledger Live, on the other hand, is a hardware wallet that provides top-notch security for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency. When comparing Trust Wallet to these alternatives, consider the level of security each provides. Trust Wallet offers strong encryption and biometric authentication, but hardware wallets like Ledger Live provide an additional layer of protection by storing private keys offline. Evaluate the user experience as well, considering factors such as interface simplicity and navigation ease. Another critical aspect to compare is the range of supported cryptocurrencies. Trust Wallet supports over 50 blockchains, while other wallets may have more limited options. Fees are also an essential consideration, as some wallets may charge higher fees for transactions or currency exchanges. Ultimately, the choice between Trust Wallet and its alternatives depends on individual needs and priorities. If security is the top concern, a hardware wallet may be the best option. For those who value ease of use and a wide range of supported coins, Trust Wallet or Exodus might be more suitable. By carefully evaluating these factors and considering personal preferences, users can make an informed decision when choosing a cryptocurrency wallet.